ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः।
अथ
अथ
एकादशोऽध्यायः।
एकादशोऽध्यायः।
पूर्व अध्यायः दशम अध्याये दशम अध्यायस्य विषयः विभूतियोगः। अतः एव अध्यायस्य नाम विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः। ईश्वरस्य विभूतिः विभूतयः विभूति glories of the Lord which manifest in the beings and things of the world. As Bhagavan pointed out, there is no end to it. Nasti antaha vistarasya ve. So there is no end to the detailed description of my glories. Still, because you asked, Vistarena atmanaha yoga vibhutim cha janardana kataya bhuyaha. iti, because you asked Arjuna, then he told. Then he told, Adityaram Aham Vishnu, Jyotisham Raviram Shuman. The idea is appreciating the Lord in each and every thing. Bhagavan manifests through this, manifests through the Jagat. Then, so Bhagavan, who is total, the total is appreciated in the individual. Now, in this chapter, we will be seeing Arjuna, he expresses his desire to see the totality, to assimilate that knowledge. As Bhagavan said in the previous chapter, if you remember, Vishtabhyaham aham, Vishtabhyaham aham idam kristam ekam shena stito jagat. But Bhashakara, he begins a chapter with that as an introduction. Bhagavataha vibhutayaha uktaha, the previous chapter. Vibhuti, glories were told. Now, tatra is तत्र तस्मिन् अध्याये भगवता उक्तं किमुक्तं विष्टभ्याहमदम् इदं कृष्णम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्. That is, having pervaded the entire world with 1/4 of myself. It means the other 3/4 remains hidden, not known. Therefore, Tatshutva, that is a desire, there arose a desire in the mind of the Arjuna. Jagadatmarupam, Jagadatmarupam, Adya Aishwaram, that Sakshat Kartum Ichan, Arjuna Uvacha. That is how Bhashikara introduces a chapter. Bhagavan said, I remain in the form of this entire world only by quarter of, only by 1/4 of myself. So therefore, Arjuna, he wanted to have the total form, the vision, cosmic form. So it means understanding the cosmic form is understanding Ishvara. Ishvara is appreciated in individual things. Now all the individual do not exist apart from the Ishvara. There is no wave apart from the ocean. The ocean is total. Will you be happy with the wave or be happy with the ocean? The ocean has everything. The wave and everything are included in the ocean. So Arjuna wants to see the ocean. The Ishvara can be viewed from different perspective. But what is the essence? Essence is Chaitanyam. That is the essence. Maya Sagita Chaitanyam. The Maya Sagita Ishvara. That is called Ishvara, we say. The same Chaitanyam which is Maya Sagita Chaitanyam, that is Chaitanyam which is obtained in the individual. Upadhi is called Pramata. The same which is obtained the form of this Jagat. When you visualize a Jagat as his Shariram, then it is called Virat Purusha, Virat Chaitanya, Virat, as it said in the Purusha Sukta. Sagastra Shirusha Purusha, Sahasraksha, Sahasrapad. The Virat Darshan. Then we have Avatara also. Avatara also is a manifestation of Brahma Chaitanyam alone. So, different avataras, not just 10 avatars, there are many avatars in fact. But the avatara has got something special. It is not Maya Karyam, it is not Ajnana Karyam, it is Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanirvavati Bharata, as Bhagavan said. Ishvara has all power, therefore he can manifest himself in the form of any avatara, any form. All these are the manifestations of Ishvara. But the Jagat is Ishvara. This Jagat, Ishvarat Abhinnaha, that is, can be known only through the Shastra. Jagat is nothing but manifestation of Ishvara. In the Jagat, there is manifestation of Ishvara, and Jagat is manifestation of Ishvara. So, therefore, Arjuna, he wants to see Ishvara in the form of the entire Jagat all at once. So we have the perception of Jagat in a limited way. We see only one thing at a time. But here, Arjuna, he wants to see the total together simultaneously. A single form which includes all the forms. That is called cosmic form. We see individual forms, and individual forms we appreciate the Ishvara. That is what Vibhuti Yoga. Now, all the forms are included in which form? That form is a cosmic form, Vishwarupa Darshana, that Arjuna wants to have. So when all forms are included in whom and he is formless, is both with form and formless, Sagunam and Nirgunam, that is Ishvara. So when you understand and appreciate that, then naturally you surrender, you become a bhakta. This is bhakta. Out of appreciation, you become a devotee of Ishvara. In fact, that is the Bhakti Yoga, the next chapter. Bhakti means it is not different from Jnana. Bhakti is also Jnanam only. When you see everything as Ishvara, all the forms in Ishvara, naturally you will surrender, you will have Bhakti. So, therefore, that is the Bhakti Yoga, that is the next chapter, 12th chapter. So, therefore, as Bhagavan said, only 1/4 of me, Ishtabhyaham idam krishnam jagat ekam shena sthito jagat. The whole world is nothing but a quarter of Ishvara. What about the 3/4? That is hidden. That has to be understood. So what you see only the tip of the iceberg. The rest is covered under the water. That part is not visible. So because our buddhi is also limited. So in the limited antakaranam, there is limited. But Arjuna, he wants to see the total form. And through Arjuna, we are also blessed to be seeing. We will seeing the cosmic form of Ishvara. And later, Arjuna will say, having seen the form, he will say, please you come back to your normal form because he could not withstand that. That is this gets frightened. There is a mixed feeling in the mind of Arjuna. That also the Vyasacharya beautifully expresses shlokas. You will see now the first shloka. You will see. So the chapter begins with the request of Arjuna. Not just with the request, he appreciates what Bhagavan for expressing the glories. Having done that, then he will express the desire to see the cosmic form Vishwarupa Darshan. So let us read the first shloka. Arjuna Uvacha
Arjuna
Arjuna
Uvacha
Uvacha
Madanugrahaya Paramam Guhyamadhyatma Sangitam
Madanugrahaya
Madanugrahyaya
Paramam
Paramam Guhyamadhyatma
Guhyamadhyatma
Sannitam
Yatvayoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigato Mama
Yatvayoktam
Yatvayoktam
Vachastena
Vachastena
Moho
Mohahotyam Vikato Mama
Anugraha
Vigato Mama
Mad Anugrahaya Mama Krite Anugrihitavan Bhavan. So therefore, a gratitude is there, and he expresses the gratitude. I asked and you complied, you revealed, you expressed. So Madanagrahya, Mama Anugrahartam, Anugrahaya, Anugrahartam. You have given the Paramam, which is greatest, and Gugyam, Paramam Utkrishtam, greatest, and Gugyam, Gopyam, Ragasyam. So Paramam, Gugyam, why it is Gugyam? Because there is no secret. It is known, but it is not known to all, not understood by all. The Jnanam, Adhyatma Sangitam, that is Gugyam. Adhyatma Vidya. This Adhyatma Jnanam, Atma Jnanam, Atmanam, Paramatmanam, Adhikritya Stitam Adhyatmam. So Adhyatmam, Sanya Sanjata Aseti, Adhyatma Namakam. The Jnanam is with regard to the self, Atma. And Jnanam is, Atma is neither born neither destroyed. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dagati pavakaha, najayate na mriyate va, nityam sarvagatasthanahu, achaloyam sanatanaha. That is Atma, Adhyatma, which is in its Sopadika Rupam and Nirupadika Rupam. Or Tumpada Lakshyartham Atma, Tatutvam. That is Adhyatma. Therefore, Adhyatma Sangitam, and that Atma is not different from Brahma. That also Bhagavan he told the last chapter. Yomam Ajamanadim cha veti loka maheshwaram asammoda samartyeshu sarva pape pramuchyate. Those who know me, who is without Janma, birthless, who knows me, the Lokanam Ishwaraha, that person is free from all the papa. What is the biggest papa? Sarva papa is Ajnana, which is a papa impurity. So he becomes free from delusion and is liberated. Therefore, it is Mahavakya. Those who knows me becomes free means those who knows me as not different from you, that person is free. That is the Jnanam Adhyatma Sangitam. It is called by Adhyatmam Atma Jnanam. So therefore, Madanugrahaya, this Paramam Adhyatma Sangitam, Paramam Gugyam, Yat Tvaya Uktam, that which is told by you. Tvaya Uktam, Tvaya Avochi, Vakyam. Tena, Vajat Vakya, Tena, Vachaha Tena, Vachaha, Mama Moga, Ayam Mogaha Vigataha. The Moha is gone. What is the Moha? The Swabandhu Vishayaha, that Hantra, Antavya, Lakshana Chitta Vibramaha, Avivekaha. That is, Moha is whether Bhishma will die, Dronacharya will die because of my killing. That is Moha. So that Moha, the delusion, because they cannot be killed. As Atma, they can never be killed. That is what Bhagavan said. Natvevaham jatanasam nattam neme janadipaha. Nacheva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayam atah param. So if that is so, then how can you can kill Bhishma or Dronacharya? Therefore, it is with Brahma, it is Aviveka, Mithya Pratyaya. That Mithya Pratyaya has gone from me, that wrong understanding. Ayam Mogaha, Vikataha, Vinashtaha, Vitaha, Ityartaha, Mama. Mama, Ayam Mogaha, Vigataha. It has gone. How did it go? Because of your teaching. Yat Tvaya Uktam Vachaha Tena. Vachasa, Bhavataha Vachasa. By the words of you, my moga has gone, and you taught me out of pure compassion. Ahetuka daya sindhu bhavan. So bhavata uktam vachaha tena, vachaha tena, vachastena. It means vachasa, bhavataka vachasa. Therefore, the delusion has gone. The aviveka has gone. The dharma, adharma, aviveka has gone. Atma, anatma, aviveka has gone, because that alone causes the sorrow and the conflict, confusion. So the viveka, which seems to be inhibited due to delusion, that is gone. Because delusion is gone, therefore aviveka is also gone. The expresses the result, the result of listening to his teaching, to his words, and also the gratitude. Anugraha is Bhavata Anugraha, your blessing. You complied to my request and you taught me. Then further, Arjuna says, the first few shlokas are the words of Arjuna. Then the next shloka, let us read second shloka. Bhavapyayo hi bhutanam shutau vistarasho maya.
Bhavapyayo hi bhutanam shruthau vistascho maya.
Tattak kamalapatrakshamahatmapi chavyayam.
त्वत्तः
कमलपत्राक्ष
कमलपत्राक्ष माहात्म्यमपि
mahatmyamapi
चाव्ययम्
chavyayam.
माहात्म्यमपि
माध्यमे
चाप्ययम्.
च
कमलपत्राक्ष संबोधना. कमलपत्र, पत्र petals. कमलपत्रवत्. In fact, we in the Pratana Shloka to Vyasa, we say, Namostu Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. So Vyasa who has got Vishala Buddha, there also we say Vishala Netra, Vishala Buddhi, Vishala Netra. So here also Kamalapatra Aksha, Kamalapatra Aksha, Sambodhana. Aksha is Netra, Akshini, Aksha, Akshini, Akshini. Kamalaptravat, Akshaha, Aksha, that is Netra, Vishala Netra Vityartha. Patrasya, Kamalasya Padmasya Patraiva Vishale, Vistine Akshini, Netre, Yasya iti, Kamalapatra, Kamalapatrakshaha iti. Compound. A beautiful word. Kamala Patraiva Vishale, Vistine Akshini, Netre. Akshini, two netra, two eyes. Like the petals of the lotus, it is Vishala, it is wide. What? Netra, Vishala Netra. Netra, eyes, eyes stands for insight, stands for vision. Therefore, Kamala Patraksha, Kamala Patraksha. There is another another way also we can explain. We will do it a little later. Now, this can take it as just Sambodhana. Bhavapyayo hi Bhutanam Bhavapyayo Shutau. Shutau, Shudatu, Ishtapratyakta, Shutau, Termini. Listen to what? Bhavapyayo. Bhutanam Bhavapyayo, that is Utpatti Pralayo. Bhava Apyaya. Bhava is Utpatti. So, Bhavapyayo Shutau means listen to. When, where? The previous chapter. Because he said, the previous chapter, this Bhavanti Bhava, this Mattas Sarvam Pravartate iti. Aham Sarvasya Prabhavaha Mattas Sarvam Pravartate. Iti Matta Bhajante Mam Badha Bhava Samanvitaha. From me everything comes. So therefore Bhava Utpattihi Apyaya resolution. So Utpatti resolution. What about Sthiti? Sthiti we have to supply. So therefore Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, all the three. Bhutanam. So you are the Srishtikarta, you are the Laya, you are the Sthitikarta and Layakarta. So you are the creation and dissolution. Both were listened to. Shutau. Vistarashaha. Vistarashaha Vistarena. Vistarashaha Maya. Maya Shutau. So Maya. Germany. Maya Shutau. Shutau for which the subject is Bhavapyayo. That's why Shutau. So Shutau. Bhutanam. Bhutanam Sarvesham Bhutanam Jada Chetananam Bhutanam. Why he is Prasiddharte he. It is Prasiddharte. So Bhavapyayo, Bhavaha Utpattihi, Apyayaha Pralayaha, Utpatti Pralayo, Maya, Kaya Arjunena. Maya Arjunena, Vistarashaha, Vistarena, Shutau. Listen to Ashravishatam. Ashravishatam. Listen to. Cause to listen. Because you told you are the Shravaka. I am the Shrota. So therefore you teach, I listen. Tvattaha, from you. Tvattaha, Sakasha, Tvattaha. Hey Kamala Patraksha, what? Mahatmyam Avyayam. Mahatmyam apicha Avyayam. Avyayam. Avyayam is that doesn't undergo any change. Na vyeti. Akshayam ityartaha. Kshaya ragitaha. Kshayaha vinashaha. Vinasha ragitam. Akshayam. Avyayam. So therefore avyayam. So all the vibhutis which are avyayam, which is vinasharahitam, it goes on. In every creation also it keeps coming. So therefore there is no end to it. There is no vyaya, there is no kshaya to it. Akshayam, vinasharahitam, tava mahatmyam. So mahatmyam, mahatmanah tava bhavaha. Niratisaya Aishwarya Lakshanaha Yogaha Api. That is Mahatmyam. So Mahatmyam, your glory, your greatness, that's what Vibhuti. Mahatmyam is Sadita word. Mahatmanaha Bhavaha. Mahatmyam. Niratishaya Aishwarya Lakshanaha Yogaha. Vibhuti Yogaha. Mahatmyam Picha Avyayam. Avyayam. Tattaha Maya Arjunena Shrutau. By me, Arjuna, listen to Bhavapyayo, your creation, the creation and dissolution of all the beings, Vistarena, in detail, have been heard by me from you. E Kamalapatraksha. Now also your Mahatmyam. The Mahatmyam that which doesn't perish, doesn't undergo decay, doesn't undergo destruction. That's why Avyayam Mahatmyam. Avyayam can be taken as an adjective to Mahatmyam. Your glory which doesn't perish, doesn't vanish, doesn't perish. That's why Akshayam, Kshayaragitam, Abhiragitam, Shutam, Ekamalapatraksha, iti. Kamalapatraksha, one explanation I give. Kamalasya patre iva vishale tirne akshini, that is netre, yasya, saha, Kamalapatraksha, Bhagavadi. Or another beautiful way of understanding the Kamalapatraksha. All these, the Acharyas in the Sampradaya, they do explain so nicely. See, Kamalapatraksha means one who has eyes like the petals of the lotus. Patra is petal. Here we have to take the meaning. Patra to mean petal, not patra, not leaf. Patra also means leaf, but here it is petal. Petals are soft, so therefore the eyes are soft. That's petals are also pleasing. Eyes are soft and pleasing. Therefore, it is compared to the lotus petal. Now, that is literal meaning. Another meaning, ka, kamala, patra, aksha, three words are there. Ka means sukam. In fact, we have seen nakam, nakasya prishto, nakam is swarga, kam is sukam, nakam, akam, dukkam, and negative of that, nakam, again sukam. Nakasya prishte, nakasya is swarga loka, nakam, swargasya, iti one meaning is there. So kam means sukam, kam, sukam. Ananda, Brahmananda, that is kam. Kam alati, kam alati iti kamalaha, kamalaha, the one that reveals the Brahmananda, Ananda, the one that reveals the Ananda, kam Ananda, kam alati iti kamalaha, kam sukam Ananda. Ananda is Atma Jnanam, Atma Ananda. Atma Jnanam eva Anandaha. Atma is Anandaha, Anand Swarupaha. Therefore, the one that reveals that Ananda. How does it reveal? By teaching, by giving Jnanam. The Jnana, that is Kamalaha. Then Patra. Patra is Patanat Trayate iti Patraha. That which protects from falling. Falling into what? Falling into samsara. So that Kamalam meaning Jnanam, the one that reveals the Ananda, Brahmananda, and that Ananda, that the one who reveals that, by revealing that, the person saves the person from samsara. Patanatrayate. And akshyate iti akshaha. What is akshyate? Prapyate. gained, labhyate. What is gained is akshaha. What is gained by Jnanam? Ishvara is understood. Ishvara is gained. Ishvara is the gain. Understood. Therefore, Ishvara is called Kamalapatraksha. So, the one which reveals is the knowledge which reveals the Atma. Atma is Ananda Swarupaha. Therefore, Kam Alati iti Kamalaha, referring to knowledge, Jnanam. And that Jnanam protects a person from falling into samsara. And that knowledge by which Ishvara is known, Ishvara is gained, obtained, akshyate iti akshaha. Therefore, Kamalapatraksha, therefore, therefore it's called Kamalapatraksha. So, in that way also, you can interpret this word. Therefore, there is the knowledge which protects a person from falling into samsara, by which the Ishvara is gained, known, then that is called Kamalapatraksha. So you can say, make as a Bhagavad, the one who gives this is Kamalapatraksha. Hey, Kamalapatraksha, who gives up? Bhagavan. By knowledge, Bhagavan is gained. Bhagavan reveals the knowledge about himself. The knowledge reveals Swarupa, Ananda, and protects the person from falling into samsara, punarjanma, punarapijanam, punarapimanam, the samsara sahara, arnavam, this arnava, and by which Bhagavan himself is obtained in the form of Advaita Jnana. So therefore, Kamalapatraksha referring to Bhagavan himself. Therefore, E Kamalapatraksha. In that way also the word can be understood. So therefore the word, so nicely it is interpreted by the Acharyas in the tradition. Kamalapatraksha. Say Kamalapatraksha. Avyayam Mahatmyam Tvattaha from you. Tvattaha, Tasul Pratya, Tvattaha from you. Tvattaha is from you. From you. Vistarashaha Maya Shrutam. Maya Shrutau. Bhavapyayo Shrutau iti. Then the next shloka. Evametadhyathat tattvam atmanam parameshvara.
एवमद्यथात्
तत्त्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर.
Sorry, not atatvam. Atha is Madhyama Purusha. Evametadhyathat. Together when we read Evametadhyathat tattvam. Yeah, that's how I read it also. It's correct.
Yeah.
I read. Atha tvam atha. Atha is that aha agatuhu aguhu. So Atha is Madhyama Purusha. Tum Atha. It's okay. What I read was correct. Drashta vichami te rupam aishwaram purushottama.
द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरम् पुरुषोत्तम.
Evam, when you split, Evam etat yatha atha tvam. Atha, tvam atha. Tvam atha. Katayasi. Tvam katayasi. You are telling, you told. Atha, aha is present tense. Tvam atha. So, Evam etat yatha atha. If there is atha after yatha, 1, 2 avagraha is there. In some books it's given like that. Then we know it is atha. We can make up. Anyway, when you thought also we should be able to spot that atha, the kriyapan. Atha, bravishi, katayasi. Iti. So, atmanam parameshvara. E parameshvara sambodha. E parameshvara yatha. Ena prakarena. Ena prakarena tvam Vasudevah Atmanam Atha Tvam Bravishi Tvam Katayasi. E Parameshvara, E Bhagavan Tvam Atha. So here He says, from Atha Atmanam. You have been talking about yourself. From Atha Atmanam. Atmanam reflexive pronoun. Evam etat. Yata. Yena prakarena. Yena prakarena. Kena prakarena. The 10th chapter. Sopadika Nirupadikena. Sopadikena Nirupadikena. Sagunam Brahma, Nirgunam Brahma. Both. Atha Katayasi. Tvam Atmanam Katayasi. You are telling about yourself. Tvam Atmanam Katayasi. You are talking about yourself. Atmanam. Vasudeva. Atma Swarupam. Like Sarva Jagat Adharam. Iti. Katayasi. Bravishi. Tata. Drashtamichami te rupam Aishwaram Purushottama. E Purushottama. Purushanam Utkrishtama. E Purushottama. Purushanam Utkrishtaha. Tama pratyaya. That's why Tama. Purushottama. Purushanam Uttama. Drashtam Ichchami Aishwaram. I'd like to hear E Purushottama. Yata Tvam Atmanam. In what way you describe yourself? Sopadika Drishtya, Nirupadika Drishtya. Evam Etat. The same way. Now, I want to see Drashtam Ichchami. Tavate Rupam, Tava Rupam, Aishwaram Rupam. Aishwaram Vishwam iti. Aishwaram Vishwarupam. Aishwaram Rupam Vishwarupam. Tava Aishwaram Aishwarya Sampannam Sakala Aishwarya Upetam Rupam. This Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrasham Medavarnam Shubhangam. That Rupam Drashtam Ichchami. Drashtam Ichchami. Sananta would be what? Drashtum Ichchati. We have seen. Drashtum Ichcha iti Didriksha. So,
Didraksha.
yes, Didrikshami, you can say. Didrikshati, Didrikshaktaha, Didrikshanti. Then the Uttama Purusha, Didrikshami. Aham Drashtum Ichchami, Didrikshami. So, whenever Ichcha is there, Drashtum, then you can recollect Sananta, which we are seeing recently. Didrikshami, Drashtum Ichchami, Didriksha. Drashtum Ichcha, Didriksha. So, Aham Didrikshami. You can say Didrikshami. Tava Aishwaram, Aishwaram Rupam, that is Vishwarupam, Aishwarya Sampannam, Upetam, Rupam, Vishwadaram, that Rupam, Drashtum Didrikshami, Drashtum Ichchami, E Purushottama. Parameshwara Sambodhana, Purushottama Sambodhana, Purushana Uttama, Purushottama. Paramascha Aso Ishvara. That is also another beautiful word, Karmadharya. We have seen that word before. Parama is ultimate. He is ultimate, there is no ultimate above him. He is anataha. Nataha na vidyate yasya. Anataha. There is no person above him. It's called parama. Not limited by time, not limited by space, not limited by vastu. Desha kala vastu aparichinnaha. That is called parama. And tvam paramaha cha. So that is Ishvara, Bhagavan alone. Who else can be? And he is Purushottama. Purushanam Uttama. Purushah Purushaha. Atma. Brahma it is. So, by saying Parameshwara Purushottama, you expressed yourself as Sagunam Brahma, Nirgunam Brahma. Now, I accept your statement. Evam yata atta, tvam atta, what you said of yourself. Like Adityanam Aham Vishnuhu Ityadi. Now, all this I understand, but now I want to see your Vishwarupa. Aishwaryam, Vishwam, that you as a cause of this Jagat. And Jagat is nothing but the Karya of you. So you manifest as this universe. So I want to see your Vishwarupam. Though you have talked about yourself, but I am not able to see you, your Vishwarupa. Now I want to see. Therefore, Aishwaram Rupam. Aishwara. Shat Aishwarya. That's why it's called Bhagavan. Bhagaha Asya Asti iti Bhagavan. So Aishwaryam, Bhashyakara says, Aishwaryam, Jnana Aishwaryam, Shakti Bala, Virya, Tejo Bhiki Sampannam Rupam. That is the definition of Viribaha. The sixfold virtues completely present in whom is called Bhagavasya Asti iti Bhagavan. So the Aishwaram means not just Chaturbhujam Rupam. Bhashyakara says, it's not that with four hands and all. Your Aishwaryam Rupam is all the sixfold virtues. Aishwaryasya, Samagrasya, Viryasya, Yashashashyaha, Jnanavairayosteva, Shannam Bhaga iti Rana. So that sixfold virtues completely present in whom? That's called Aishwarya, that I want to see. Arjuna is a great desire. He want to see, and he enjoys the privilege, and therefore he asks, Drashtumichhami iti. But Bhagavan will reveal or not that Arjuna, that Arjuna has a doubt. Therefore, he expresses his doubt also. I don't know whether I am eligible. I don't know whether you will reveal it. If you think so, please reveal it to me. That he says in the next shloka. Let us read. मन्यसे यदि तच्छक्यं मया द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो
मन्यसे यदि
मन्यसे
तच्छक्यं
यदि
मया
तच्छक्यं
द्रष्टुमिति
मया
प्रभो
द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो
योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम्
योगेश्वर ततो मे तत्त्वं दर्शयात्मनम् अव्ययम्
दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम् दर्शय आत्मानम् अव्ययम्
आत्मानम्
दर्शय लोट्लकार दर्शयतु त्वं दर्शय. We have to connect like that. यदि मन्यसे, so therefore is not ordering, he just requesting. Yadi manyase, if you think so, and if it is tatshakyam, so is you can see his request supplication. Hey Prabhu, Prakarshena bhavati iti Prabhu. Hey Prabhu sambodhana. Hey samarthaha. Samarthaha ityarthaha. So tat shakyam. What tat? Tat referring to that rupam aishwaram aishwaryam. That is tat. Vishvatmakam rupam vishvadhara bhutam. Aham drashtum ichchami iti Bhagavan Arjuna said before. Therefore, drashtum iti. Maya drashtum iti drashtum ikshitum lokitum shakyam yogyam. Shakyam is yogyam. Yogyam. It is if I am eligible. Maya drashtum yogyam. If it is eligible for me to see. It means if it is eligible to see by me. If it is possible for me, maya shakyam. Drashtum iti maya shakyam. Maya shakyam, if it is possible for me, drashtum, ikshitum shakyam. Yadi tvam manyase. Yadi tvam manyase tarhi. Yadi is a tarhi, you have to separate. Tarhi. Ye Yogeshwara. Ye Yogeshwara. Yogeshwara Sambodhana. Yoga is Maya, Mayeshwara, Maya. Yoganam, Yogasya Ishvaraha. Vibhuti Yoga is a Vibhuti. And yoga, the Shakti to manifest the Vibhuti, therefore yoga, Maya, Mayeshwara, Tataha, Me, Makyam, Tvam, Darshaya. May you show, you reveal to me, Atmanam Svarupam, a Yogeshwara. It points out you are capable of showing, you are capable of manifesting through different things. Then you are capable of revealing. That Yogeshwara refers to this capability. Ishvara Yogasya, Maya Yaha, Ishvaraha. I may not be eligible, but you are capable. Therefore, you are Yogeshwara, power of manifestation. Then you are capable of manifesting in so many forms and things. And why not as Vishwarupam? You are capable. But if you think I am eligible, Maya Shakyam, Drashtum Shakyam, if you think it is possible for me to see that form, A Prabhu, then Tvam me darshaya, Atmanam abhiyam me darshaya. then you please bless me by showing your form. Darshaya, Lotlakara. Prathanayam, Lord. Agnya Prathanadishu, Lord. A long sutram is there. Vidhi Nimantrana, Mantrana, Samprashna, Adishta Samprashna, Prathanadishu, Lot and Ling. So here, Prathanayam, Lord. Hey, Ishvara, Param Yogeshwara, Darshaya. Drishti Vishayam Karya. Make it possible for me to see. What? Atmanam, Avyayam Atmanam. Avyayam, Nityam, Akshayam, Atmanam. This Vishwatmaka Rupam. Darshaya. May you reveal. Darshaya. Reveal to me. Iti. He presents the request, his supplication, you can see. Then, having heard this, Bhagavan, what does he do? He obliges to the request of his Priya Shishya, because he himself says Pandavanam Aham Arjunaha iti. So therefore, he has special love for Arjuna. Therefore, he obliges. Therefore, he says, Bhagavan says, Evam choditaha Arjunena Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच
Pashya me partha rupani shatashodha sahasrashah.
पश्य मे
पश्य मे
पार्थरूपाणि
पार्थरूपाणि
शतशोऽथ
शतशोथसहस्रशः
Nana vidhani divyani nana
सहस्रशः
varna kritini cha.
नानाविधानि
नानाविधानि
दिव्यानि
दिव्यानि
नानावर्णाकृतीनि च
नानावर्णाकृतीनि च
Pashya, you can see Lotlakara, many. Pashya darshaya. Darshaya causative. Pashya, you see. E partha, Pashya. E partha, Pratayaha putraha partha. Mama shatashaha. Shatashaha anekani shatani. Sahasrashaha sahasrani bhuni. Sahasra is just a number. Shatashaha also number. That's asankyatani. Nana asankyatani. Not countable, innumerable. It's a hundreds and thousands. It means there is no hundred, there is no thousand. It is infinite. So Bhagavan gives a description of Vishwarupam which is going to reveal. So therefore, it means it is possible, it is not impossible. I will show you. But how many forms are there? Shatashaha, Sahasrashaha. In hundreds and thousands. You cannot take literally hundreds and thousands. It's countless, innumerable. Nana Vidani. That's what he said. Nana Vidani. Nana is plural, in plurality. Vidani, variety. Varieties of many things. So it means Sajatiya, Vijatiya. Many forms, many types, many varieties, many colors, many forms. All are Divyani. They are Divyani, Alaukikani. They are Divyani, they are Alaukika. Nana Vidani Divyani. Nana Vidani Aneka Prakarani. And Divyani, they are all Alaukikani, Adbhutani, Ascharya Mayani. All these are Ascharya Mayani Rupani, Swarupani. Nana Varna Kritini cha. Nana Varna. Varnaha. Different Varnas are the Shukla Krishnadaya Varnaha. Nana Varnaha. Varna also means shape also. Akaraha. Shape as well as color. So therefore, Nana Varna Kritini cha. Different Nana Varna Kritini cha. Nana Vilakshana Neela Pata Pitadi Prakar Varnaha Tata Akritayaha. Avaya Samsthan Visheshaha Yesham Rupanam Tani Nana Varna Kriti Nicha. Bhashyam Bhashyakara says. So Nana Varna Kriti Nicha, for that. Vilakshana Neela Pitadi Prakaraha Varnaha. Different colors. Neela, Pita, etc. Tata Akritaya also. Akritaya forms. The forms means the forms with love. Avayava samsthana visheshaha. Different forms. Yesham Rupanam, Bhagavati Samasa, Nana Varna Kriti Nicha. So different colors and different forms, iti, Nana Aneke, Vilakshanaha, Rupanam, Swarupanam, Tani, Nana Varna Kritini. The forms of different colors, different forms of different colors, Nana Varna Kritini cha. Nana Vidani Divyani. అనేక ప్రకారాని దివ్యాని అలౌకికాని అద్భుతాని and nana varna kriti cha, this my forms of varieties, and they are divya, effulgent, alaukika, and of different colors and shapes, a partha, which is thousand and hundreds and thousands of that, a partha, may you see, pashya iti. It means Bhagavan is revealing himself. Is revealing himself, and further he will say, a partha, saying that Bhagavan reveals. Then further he says, पश्यादित्यान् वसून् रुद्रानश्विनौ मरुतस्तथा
पश्यादित्यान् वसून्
रुद्रान्
रुद्रा
अश्विनौ
अश्विनौ मरुतस्तथा
बहून्यदृष्टपूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत
बहून्य दृष्टपूर्वाणि
दृष्टपूर्वाणि
पश्याश्चर्याणि
पश्याश्चर्याणि
भारत
भारत
पश्य again, ए अर्जुन, ए भारत, ए पार्थ, ए अर्जुन, पश्य, what? Adityan, karma, therefore Adityan, Vasun, Rudran, Ashwinav, Ashwini always dual. So for Ashwinav, Marutaha Tata, Bahuni, so Adityan, Kati Adityan Bhagavachanam, because Dwadasha Adityaha, Vasun, Ashta Vasuhu, therefore Vasun. Similarly, Ekadasha Rudraha, therefore Rudran Bhagavachanam. But Ashwini only two, therefore Ashwinav, Dvav. Then Marutaha. So iti Marutaha Pashya Bahuni Nana Vidani Adrishta Purvani. It is Adrishta Purvani, it is a rare sight in the Manushya Loka. So all the Divya Rupa is different types of Devatas, Adityas, Vasus, which are 8 in number, Ashwinav, Gandharva, Marut, etc. Sapta, Marutaha. All of them you have never seen before, or by anyone else for that matter. Adrishta Purvani. Purvam na Drishtam. The Adrishta Purvani. Not only they are not seen before, they are Ashcharyani. They are Adrishta Purvani, Manushaloke, Ashcharyani api. Nana Varna Kritini, Varnyante. Therefore, Ashcharyani. Different forms, different colors, varied. So they are not one, not two. They are many of them. You would have never seen in a single form before. Not only by you, but anyone else. May you see now, Pashya, a Partha, a Bharata, Pashya, having saying, he reveals his cosmic form. Then next shloka that we'll see the next verse. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutah Stunvanti Divyai Stavai Vedai Sangha Padakramo Panishadai Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavastita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha यस्यान्तं न विदुस्सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavad.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavad, Ishanji. And I enjoy that Kamala Patrakshar meaning. It was so beautifully told us. Thank you, Ji.
Kham
Ah,
Sukam Alati iti Kamalaha. And Patanath Rayata iti Patraha. Beautifully argued. In
yeah.
Shankaranandiyam also we will see in Bhashyam. Mainly it is, many of them are seen in the Shankaranandiyam, that Gita Priyabodhini. That
Yeah,
are
that
very
is
beautifully
very
expressed.
beautiful to read.
Mm,
Yes.
Very nice to hear.
Bharata
Thank you,
also
Ji.
he has explains nicely. Bha means to shine. Rata, Ramante, Ramdatu. Bharat, everybody is explains like that.
Oh,
It's a beautiful concept. Sweet, very sweet. Yes.
Yes.
yeah. Thank you, Ji.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.